This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Kia Rio LX 5-door hatch, stock reference number 4165. This shape runs from the 8th month 2005 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a G4EE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4EE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left manual door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has a couple small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple small dents, as does the right front door. Right manual door mirror. Right guard has a light crease on the top edge. And a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, fronts only type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a manual centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.